When it comes to plotting or saving data from a target running code in real time, we have a few options, including serial communication, TCP, and UDP. For this tutorial series, we will be using UDP communication. We have an Ethernet cable plugged into the target. To start, we bring a sine wave block, and under communication, a UDP TX block. To get the IP address, we can type ifconfig in a new terminal tab. Now we can change the template file to NuttX, save the model, generate code, and flash to the target. To plot and save the data, there's an application called RTScope. We can open it from the block editor folder. Since our communication protocol is UDP, we select the UDP tab. We have one signal, we uncheck the time base, and we start the server. When we run the code in the target, we see the data coming into the live plot. Note that the x-axis doesn't show time, it shows the number of samples. To show time, we need to feed a time signal into the UDP block and check the time base box. When using time base, the time signal does not account for a signal, so we reduce one signal count. In other words, even though we have two signals going into the UDP block, we only plot one signal. For the next example, we'll use a toggle switch as input to the spring mass damper model from the tutorial part 2. RTScope can also be used to save the data.